Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we're doing a video that I wasn't supposed to do, the video that I was supposed to be filming right now. The product is delayed, so I probably won't get that until tomorrow. So I had my base makeup done in anticipation for that video, and since that didn't work out, we are here filming this video, which I thought I was going to be filming for my Instagram. Long story short, guys, today we are going to be creating two looks with this ever cute little Urban Decay Decades palette. I picked up the 1993 90s eyeshadow palette from Ulta Beauty, and this arrived a couple days ago. It actually took a while for that order I placed to ship out. I know it's a crazy time right now for the post office, for UPS, for FedEx, DHL, all of those shipping companies, but I'm just grateful that I was able to get this little beauty in. Look at this too cute little 6-pan eyeshadow palette with a mirror right here. This, of course, is inspired by the 90s decade, which I did grow up in the 90s. I was born in 1982. But I lived out my middle school and high school years in the 90s, so I can definitely identify with the theme of this palette and all the shades in it. I just thought it was too cute to pass up. I got this for about $25, but I want to say they're on sale right now for $20, so definitely check that out. And I do know Ulta is circulating a 20% off coupon, so if you are on their rewards system, if you get their emails, be on the lookout even in the actual mail, because I got a little card with another 20% off coupon. This is already like the second or third one that I get. So I did use it for this item. You guys know I am a huge fan of Urban Decay Cosmetics. I love all things Urban Decay. So ordering this little palette was a no-brainer. And I almost ordered the 70s palette. That was also a really cute palette. And let me just pop all of the Decades palettes up here so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. They did the 70s, 80s, 90s, and 2000s, but the 90s is what spoke to me the most. So guys, I'm going to be creating two quick, simple, easy eye looks using this 90s palette from Urban Decay Cosmetics, and then I will jump on at the end to give you guys my final thoughts on this cute little palette. If you want to see the two looks I create using the new 90s palette from Urban Decay Cosmetics, keep on watching. these were the two looks that I created using the new Urban Decay Decades Palette 1993 90s eyeshadow palette. What do you guys think of the looks? I will say that I was dying to do the blue with the brown combo. I really love the way this halo eye turned out. This eye didn't turn out the way I was expecting or the way I had planned. I started building up this shade right here, which is called Collect Call. This is like a deep brown, but for some reason it was looking like really patchy around the crease. So that's why I decided to just cut my crease and add the green shade, which is beautiful, by the way. And I went in with this green shade dry. I did not spray my brush to do this top part. And actually I didn't spray my brush to do the lower part. I only sprayed my brush for this eye to really intensify the blue shade, which was this one right here. This one's called Seattle, or it's kind of like a blue grayish shade. Really, really pretty. But I don't think that was the shadow that was causing it to kind of patch up. I think it was the primer. I think maybe I didn't blend it out well enough because the brown did great on this eye. So it was just right here, and it was only in this little area. It kind of looked a little funny, but I am going to blame that on the primer and not the shadows. The shadows are typical Urban Decay quality. I've never really had a problem with Urban Decay shadows. Some here and there maybe have given me some issues, but for the most part, guys, I'm really happy with all of my Urban Decay palettes, and I thought this was just so cute. I just love the concept. I love the packaging. Really cute little stocking stuffer, especially if they're on sale right now at Ulta, but then again, you have the 20% off coupon, so it's on sale either way for you. I think it's really nice. I always like when they kind of do a themed eyeshadow palette, when they take it back to a certain year, a certain decade, a certain holiday. I am all for that. So great job, Urban Decay, with this two cute little Decades palette in 1993 edition. I love the two eye looks I created. Let me know your thoughts. Have you seen this out in stores? Have you seen the other ones? Maybe you picked up this one. Maybe you picked up the other ones. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know which look you liked best. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.